Hello guys, hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Nadia Beauties. On today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to revamp your deep wave ribbons using the flexi rod method. Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post wonderful videos like this here on YouTube. So guys, let's get down to the business of today. It's going to be wonderful. So guys, this is how to roll it. Like, you're going to be rounding it, rolling and rounding it at the same time, so it gives you that deep curls that you're looking for. So guys, watch this video down to the end to see the outcome of this. Guys, like I said before, always make sure your rolling is very tight. So guys, this is it. This is me trying to remove the rollers to see what we've got. Wow, keep on watching guys, follow this video down so you get to see what we got. So guys, this is what we got. You can choose to comb it out, you can choose to just use your tip of a finger to pick it out, or you can choose to leave it this way, guys. So look at it, see how lovely it is. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified, and also share, comment and like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.